Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with our Temu earring haul completion video. So I finished all my Temu earrings and I have them all packed up and ready to go in these nice little cardboard and plastic things. So these are the ones that I might keep these ones for myself. I really love these ones. They're so cute. These are my little cups of hot cocoa. Aren't they cute? And I love this packaging. And these are my other favorite ones. I really love these. Aren't they pretty? Snowflakes. And snowmen. And these are all double-sided ornaments. All of them. This was a great buy from Temu. And the Christmas trees are done. And the little cute black stockings are done. And the adorable penguins are done. And it looks like the penguin's holding a latte. And last but not least, the ugly Santas are done. Now, I don't know why the Santas have such a weird face. And I figured out this big red thing is supposed to be the red nose, because Santa's supposed to have a red nose. I think he's holding a gift. These are my least favorite ones. I just think they're kind of weird looking. What do you think? Yeah, they should have just left the face clear. Now, I lost 2 of these ornaments. Somehow, I lost one of the sweater ornaments. These were supposed to be earrings. There's supposed to be 2 sweaters. I lost one, so I turned it into a keychain. And this beautiful mitten that I really liked, I also lost that, so I turned it into a keychain. Now, one of these is going to be for my mom, one of these is going to be for me, and the rest of these are going to be gifts. But I thought I'm going to need more gifts because we're having lots of people coming over. So I also have Santa on a scooter keychain for one of my cousins. Santa on the other scooter keychain for my other cousin. And another keychain, the stocking. And these extra ones are from my advent calendar. So these 3 are from the advent calendar. So if I take one of these, and I'm probably going to take this one, that still leaves me with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 gifts. Plus I have other gifts. So these will just be add-ons. I like to put something in the card, you know? So, but everybody else, this is just extra. And I still have all of these other ones. Oh, wait, there's more. Okay, I have way more than I thought. I thought that I did more. So I did this other mitten as a keychain too. And I did the Santa in an airplane as a keychain. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So I have 14 gifts that I could just stick into cards for people. 13 because one is for me. 12 because one is for my mom. So that's going to be more than enough to stick into cards. And then I still have all of these that I did with you guys for the whole month of December. This is all the rest of the advent calendar. And these are all going to my mom and dad for the tree. So we've got, you saw all of these in detail because we did these every day. So these will all go on our Christmas tree. I'm going to wrap them up. I'm going to put half in a little package for my mom and half for my dad. So they both have some to open. And that's it. So I'm really happy, really super happy with how these earrings came out. I'm really sad that I lost the sweaters because I would have kept the sweaters for myself. But you know what? Maybe I'll buy the same set of earrings again for next year. They're so cute. The only problem is, when I give them as gifts, it's hard to remember who I gave what. I know last year, one of my cousins got a scooter and the other got a scooter. And that's because they both love scooters. So I just don't remember which one got which. So I'll tell them they could trade them if they're getting doubles. But I'm really happy with how these turned out. They're super cute. And it's such a nice, something just to put into a card, you know? And this way I'll have extra, so if someone shows up at the house tomorrow that I wasn't expecting, I can at least quickly write a little card and shove, like, you know, a little keychain inside. I have a whole set of keychains that I didn't do, the transportation themed ones, that I bought before I bought the advent calendar, so I'll save those for next year. But you know, to tell you the truth, I'll probably do an advent calendar again next year because I really enjoyed it. So most of these keychains are from the advent calendar, and all of the earrings are from Temu. And the advent calendar was from Amazon. So I'm so happy with these. I think they're adorable. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I was going to keep these ones, but then I crocheted myself some earrings. So I really don't need to keep them. These are so ugly, I'm kind of hesitant to give them away, you know? But they'll still be shiny. And if someone has long hair, they'll just see the shine. But, like, they're so weird looking. Would it bother you getting a gift like that? Like, I just don't know what to think about this one. But all of the rest are adorable. Anyway, you guys, we made it. It's the Christmas Eve right now. It's the evening as I'm recording this. You won't see this until sometime after Christmas, because I have a lot of things that have to go up. It's the 23rd. It is almost 11 p.m. as I'm recording this. We celebrate Christmas on the 24th and the 25th. So tomorrow we have our family party that we used to have at my Uncle Buck's house. My Uncle Buck used to have everybody over. So all the cousins and aunts and uncles and, you know, nieces and nephews and their spouses or boyfriends, they all come and get together, and we usually order pizza and chicken and then the antipasta, which is mostly like lunch meat and cheeses and crackers and pickles and olives and salads and meatballs and all kinds of like chips and chocolates and cookies and pretzels and all that stuff. So that's tomorrow, but we're doing it at our house tomorrow because my Uncle Buck passed. And then Christmas Day, we used to have my uncle over for supper, and whatever family members didn't have anywhere else to go would also come here. So tomorrow, I think just two of my cousins, not tomorrow, Christmas Day, I think just two of my cousins are coming for supper so far. And my best friend's coming in town tomorrow with her family, which is awesome. So I'm really excited. But now I have to do one more craft. So I'm not done yet because I ordered something at the last minute. And it came in today on Amazon, so now I've got one more craft to do, but it won't take me long. Oh, so I don't know what you guys have planned, or whether you celebrate Christmas or Kwanzaa or Hanukkah or whatever you celebrate. I hope you guys are having a great time. If you don't celebrate anything, I hope you're still having a very nice weekend. Wishing you all the best. All right, guys? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support. If you liked this video, please give me a little reindeer thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy crafting. Bye, guys.